Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome to Yvonne's Easy Life Hacks. My name is Yvonne and I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to zhuzh up your house, how to fall back in love with your home, how to make your home more welcoming, how to make your home better. This is a content you would like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So there comes a time when you just walk into your home and it's just meh, like it's not exciting to you anymore. Fine, your home is like your safe space. You want to come home and just relax and just chill. Your home is always going to be your safe space, but there is that spark of, oh, I'm going home, that you had like when you first moved into a new home, with all the buying this and trying to put the home together. That spark is no longer there now. If you are experiencing this, then this video is for you. You need to put some certain things in place, take some certain steps to make your home more attractive to you, to make bring back that spark you have for your home. Okay, so the very first thing you're gonna do is to paint. You are going to paint your whole house. Painting is not really expensive. You can get the normal emulsion paint. Just paint. Now if you had white in your home before, have fun, go at it, start checking color palettes, go to the paint shop, start asking them for colors. A bucket of paint nowadays, emulsion, is going for between 15 and 20,000. Before you use like 4-5 buckets, if it's like a 3-bedroom flat, you are covered, right? So just have fun with it. Change the colors you have at home. So if you already had a white, go with like a gray and white, like balance it. If you already had a yellow, why not go for like light blue? Just change the colors, tweak things around. That is the very first thing you do. Like when you do this, when you go out and come back into your home, you get taken aback a little bit at first, like, whose house is this? Before your brain starts gradually getting used to the idea that, oh, this is our house. Okay, so just paint. Paint just has a way of reviving your home, making it look fresh, new, giving you that new love for your home. The second thing you are going to do is to check the lighting in your house. If you go round at your house now, I promise you that you're going to find out that most of the bulbs in your house, the POP lights, are all burnt. Okay, light has a way of just doing something to your home. Now, lights are also like a form of decoration for the home as well. Okay, so in your room, if you have like a normal POP lights and like wall brackets and all of that, you can just have the middle light to be the normal white light and change the bulbs in the wall brackets to like green, blue, red. Just change the colors so that in the evenings you can put on the green and blue bulbs are a bit more muted, and when you have to read or do something, you can put on the the white light. That helps. And just taking your time to change the lights around your home and tweaking one or two. Like in the living room, you can put a chandelier. It adds a beauty to the living room, and it also improves the light quality, right? So this is the second thing you can do to make your home look more beautiful, to just revamp your home and make your home look like and feel like a new space. The third thing you are going to do is to change your curtains in your home. Okay, now I know you are looking at me, you're going to be saying, oh, this is money consuming. They are very cheap and affordable curtains. You have a black, a gray, look for some other color the curtains in your room, the curtains in your living room, if you have like window blinds in your kitchen or anything, just change everything. If you had black window blinds, why not change it to like a green? If you had like gray curtains, why not change it to like a purple, a dusky gray, just change it. That just has a way of changing your home, the look of your home, of just, making your home look different. Has a way of just building that attraction you have with your home. Like when you do these things, I'm telling you, you're going to spend some money, but you can brace yourself, or pace yourself rather, and take it like one step at a time. When you do these things, you'll come back here to tell me, Yvonne, thank you very much, because the new love you're going to have for your home, like you're so eager to go home, just want to chill and relax in your home. Change your curtains. That's the third way that you can fall back in love with your home. You can make your home more attractive to you, just feel like a new space to you. The fourth way to make your home new, to refresh your home, to make your home more attractive to you, to just use things up, is to start fixing the spoiled things in your home. Okay, so now you might have a center table, you might have a stool at the side, your dining table. You might just have things around the home that maybe one leg is broken, you've been managing and patching one. Take that stool, take that table, take it to a carpenter, let them fix that leg or change the 4 legs for you. Or if it's something that's no longer usable, toss off, save a little bit and get a new centerpiece, a new side table, a new side stool. The dining table, you can have it. If it's maybe something is broken, is cracked, you can get like a tablecloth to just throw over it to cover those areas, and then you wash from time to time. If the dining chairs are bad, you can have a carpenter fix them, just nail them in place so that, when you sit down, you don't fall, you don't land on the ground. And then, you go into your kitchen stool, your kitchen unit, all those things, your bed. And your bed might be having creaking since you are saying, let me manage. Just get a carpenter. It can just be a day's work. Carpenter will come and do everything. That kitchen unit that is falling apart, the things in your living room, have them fixed. Your bed that is falling apart, have it fixed. Just take out a day, get a carpenter. They will do all the work together in one day, fix everything. See, you might even, there are things people do now. You can get like a spray. I'm leaving a picture right here, like a colored spray, and then you can respray areas that maybe are bad, or you can just change the color of particular areas. If the handles of the for example, the kitchen units were black before, you can get a gold spray and spray gold. Just do things to tweak around the house. That's the fourth thing I will advise you to do to make your home more attractive to you. The fifth way to make your home look attractive to you, to make you fall back in love with your home, to just zhuzh up your home a bit, has to do with your comfort, and it has to do with your room. Look, your room is where you spend the most time. You sleep, you rest. If you go to bed by 8 in the evening and you wake up by 6 in the morning, that is good 10 hours of sleep. Let's even say 8 hours. So then you might even take a nap during the day, right? So your room is like where you spend the most time. Even when you're not sleeping, you're probably working, watching a movie, just lying down, relaxing. And so it is very, very important that your room is comfortable to you. So to that end, check your mattress. The mattress is sagging. The mattress you have been using for the past 10 years, it's time to let it go. Go and get a new mattress. Good mattress. Get new pillows. Your pillow is as flat as a fried egg. The pillow is tired. The pillow wants to leave, but you're still holding back up to it. You will now be stacking like 3 or 4 pillows to sleep. Go and save up. Get you a good pillow. You can get pillows for as low as 6,500, 7,500. Get like 2 pillows. Get new bed sheets. Your bed sheets are worn, they are torn. You have stitched and stitched and stitched and stitched. You've patched and patched and patched. Go and get new bed sheets, soft bed sheets. Bed sheets come with pillowcases, of course. How can you be in your house, your bed sheet is pink, your pillowcase is black, they are not matching anymore? Go and get you a new bed sheet. Get the duvet. If you had one before, take it to the dry cleaners, have it washed. How can you have a duvet and for the past 3 years you've not washed it? What is going on? Have your duvet washed. Have it washed. If you don't own one, go and buy one. Okay, so you have your new mattress. You've already amended your bed if it's creaking or having any issues. You have your new mattress, you have your pillowcase, you have your duvet, you have your new bed sheets, all that in place. And then you have something. You have something to always look forward to, like, oh, I'm going home, I'm going to my house, I'm going to relax on my bed. Look, when you Netflix and chill on that kind of bed, oh my, you will always think of me, okay? And the bonus tip I'm going to give here is this: always, always, always learn to deep clean your home. Like, as you are doing these home improvements, ensure that you are sweeping out, you are mopping, you are cleaning, you are taking out the cobwebs, you're taking out the debris. Just clean. If, for example, you don't even have money to get new curtains, which I mentioned in one of the earlier points, you can take down your curtains and take to a laundry, and they will have it thoroughly washed and ironed. And then, just dust around the air is fresher. In this point also, as you are cleaning, I would also like to add that you can get diffusers, air fresheners, and throw around the house. It just helps. Like, there's nothing like when you come into your home and there's that sweet scent, welcoming scent in your home, not a stench, a good scent just everywhere around your house. You can have a particular fragrance you like, diffusers, air fresheners, and they just have a way. They said sensory satisfaction. There's a word for it. So just these little ways that you can use to make your home more attractive, more welcoming, that you can use to zhuzh up your home and then fall back in love with your home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.